to share on this trip.
We are in lunch here.
Hello.
This is the balcony of the restaurant with the view over the pool and the sea. Storm is coming. There's Lombok and there's Gili Air.
Bella's 4th birthday. Happy birthday, Bella! Yeah. Let's have a look what it says. The Singing Mermaid. Wow, that's a good book for you, considering you just learnt to swim. And this one, this is called Princess Mirabelle and the Dragon Box. Wow, what are you doing?
I'm collecting the shells.
Yeah.
Me, even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
Okay, so there's no cars on the island or bikes, and kids can just walk around without worrying about getting run over. This is the main street on the island, and it goes all the way down there. Isabella and Maya made a friends with some local kids here watching TV together.
The beauty of fresh fruit on the beach and someone else cutting it up for you so you don't have to get messy. All for 2 mangoes for 20,000. Yeah, careful, Maya.
No.